I'd love to have it. I got about 9 already though. This yours?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
I like it.
I'm surprised it didn't sell.
It did.
Oh, it did? Okay. You mind me asking how much?
64.5.
Cool.
No, 54.5. Sorry about that.
Oh, 54.5. Okay.
Deal doctor, and they gave me a better deal than the last one.
Really? Okay. That's one of my favorite cars. Does the hair grabber work on it?
Yes.
Does it? Look at that, folks. I'm not going to get in y'all's way. Y'all go ahead and do your thing. Cool. All right, folks. Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. That is a beautiful car. What do you say, 54.5? That's a bargain, folks. That is a bargain. 383 4-speed Road Runners are just pure. That's the epitome of muscle car, if you ask me. You could drive those things. It didn't kill you on gas, and it won't stupid fast where it break a lot of parts. So beautiful, well done, nice car, and a nice gentleman that let me look at it. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you can, look at some of the other videos that we have. And that would really be cool if you could watch those and hit the thumbs up on those too. We got 4 years of videos now, all kinds of car content. So just scroll down until you see something you like and enjoy yourself for a few hours. All right, Bob out.